Bybit versus CoinDCX, which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage assets without unnecessary fees or security concerns. We'll look at Bybit and CoinDCX to help you decide. Bybit and CoinDCX are two popular crypto exchanges with distinct approaches. Bybit focuses on derivatives and leverage trading, while CoinDCX offers a broad range of spot trading options tailored for the Indian market. The core difference lies in their trading focus and user base. Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange primarily known for derivatives trading, including futures and perpetual contracts. It operates with a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools designed for experienced traders seeking leverage options. Bybit offers high liquidity, competitive fees, and strong security features like cold wallets and two-factor authentication. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and provides 24/7 customer support. However, Bybit's focus on leverage products means it may not be ideal for beginners or those looking for simple spot trading. Regulatory restrictions in some countries also limit access. Ideal users are active traders and professionals who want to maximize profits through margin trading and futures contracts while benefiting from a reliable and fast platform. For those comfortable with risk and looking for advanced trading features, Bybit presents a powerful choice. CoinDCX is India's leading cryptocurrency exchange, offering a comprehensive platform for spot trading with over 200 cryptocurrencies available. It emphasizes ease of use, security, and compliance with Indian regulations. CoinDCX provides features like instant deposits, withdrawal options, and a mobile app tailored for retail investors and beginners. The platform incorporates strong security protocols, including biometric authentication and cold storage for funds. While CoinDCX does offer margin trading, its primary strength lies in spot trading and accessibility for the Indian market. Limitations include fewer advanced derivatives options compared to Bybit and regional restrictions outside India. CoinDCX is ideal for users focused on straightforward buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, especially those new to crypto or based in India seeking a regulated and user-friendly environment. Bybit and CoinDCX serve different trading needs. Bybit excels with advanced derivatives, high leverage, and global reach, making it suitable for professional traders aiming for aggressive strategies. CoinDCX focuses on spot trading with strong regulatory compliance, ideal for beginners or Indian users prioritizing security and simplicity. Bybit offers more trading pairs and tools, but comes with higher risk due to leverage. CoinDCX provides a safer environment with easy fiat on-ramps but fewer complex products. Choosing between them depends on your trading style. If you want leverage and futures, Bybit is the better fit. If you prefer straightforward crypto purchases and regulatory assurance in India, CoinDCX stands out. Choose Bybit if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced derivatives, high leverage, and global market access with professional-grade tools. Opt for CoinDCX if you want a secure, beginner-friendly platform focused on spot trading within India's regulatory framework. It's perfect for straightforward crypto investing with easy fiat integration and strong compliance. Your choice depends on trading goals and comfort with risk.